Over to the state of Bengal, where the politics continues as BJP MPs protested against the alleged mismanagement of the COVID-19 crisis in the state. Despite the lockdown that was imposed in the national capital, several BJP MPs reached Union Minister Babul Supriyo's residence to protest against Mamata Banerjee. All the details in this report.
Corona politics peaks in West Bengal. Wearing masks and maintaining social distancing, BJP MPs protested against alleged mismanagement of COVID-19 in the state of Bengal. Amid lockdown in national capital Delhi, several BJP MPs even then reached Union Minister Babul Supriyo's residence to protest against Mamata Banerjee. The BJP is accusing Trinamool Congress government of hiding the seriousness of coronavirus crisis in the state by fudging figures and allegedly confining these MPs to their home in the name of quarantine.
हम लोग धिक्कार दिवस मना रहे हैं। हम जो एक्ट बंगाल में है, ममता दीदी जो कैलस एटीट्यूड लेके वहाँ पे चल रही है, शी हैज मेड बंगाल सिट ऑन अ लाइफ टाइम बॉम्ब। और इस मिठाई की दुकानें खोल दी है, फूल की दुकानें जगह खोल दी है। कहीं पे भी लॉकडाउन का जो है वो ठीक से मेंटेन नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि उनको एफिशिएंट पॉलिटिक्स करना है।
Bharatiya Janata Party also slammed Mamata government for alleged harassment of the central teams deployed to inspect COVID situation in Bengal. BJP MP Swapan Das Gupta took a jibe at TMC MP Derek O'Brien for political virus comment.
Their visit served absolutely no purpose because they went to areas where there were no hotspots. They declared areas where the last case was held was 2-3 weeks ago. So what is basically this was? This was basically they came there to spread the political virus.
I think what we are seeing in West Bengal is a case of vindictive mismanagement. Fudging of statistics that has already come out. The central team has brought it out and they have had to revise. Setting up norms for assessment which are completely unique. It doesn't exist anywhere else in India or even in the world.
On Saturday, the central team, remember, had written to the Bengal Chief Secretary questioning the quarantine facilities and surveillance zones. Pandemic politics ahead of next year's assembly elections. Will the political rivals focus on combating the virus instead?
Now that TMC versus BJP has escalated to a level of protest in-house by the parliamentarians and BJP leaders against the TMC government in the state, it would be interesting to watch on what would be the next step forward. Not just about criticizing each other, but also the mudslinging that seems to be here to stay in this crisis. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.